Welcome back, coders. In this lesson, we're tackling reference errors in JavaScript. Specifically, what happens when you try to access a variable that does not exist. We'll use a try-catch block to gracefully handle that situation and avoid crashing our code. Stick around to learn how to spot and manage these common runtime errors. This table shows a clear difference between accessing a defined and an undefined variable. Accessing A works fine and logs 5. But when we try to log B, which hasn't been declared, JavaScript throws a reference error. We'll use a try-catch block to intercept and handle that situation cleanly. This function, accessVariable, tries to log a variable that does not exist, undefined variable, that will immediately throw a reference error, which jumps us into the catch block. Inside the catch, we check if it's a reference error using instance of, and print a friendly message. If it's not that specific error, we still log it out to keep things informative. When we try to use a variable that does not exist, JavaScript throws a reference error right away. This type of error happens during runtime, not while writing the code. This catch block captures this error object and we use instance of to see if it's a reference error. This gives us a precise way to identify and handle specific kinds of runtime issues. In our example, we call access variable once. Inside the function, it tries to log a variable that was never declared. That triggers a reference error, and the catch block prints a clear message about it. The script doesn't crash, and we get useful feedback for debugging. Reference errors are common in real apps, especially when you're working with dynamic data. Maybe a config variable wasn't passed in, or someone removed a script from the HTML. Catching these errors means your app doesn't crash when something is missing. It also helps you gracefully report or even autocorrect issues at runtime. To wrap up, a reference error is what happens when you use a variable that does not exist. Using try-catch lets you handle that safely, and using instance of makes the response more precise. Instead of crashing, the code stays in control and informative. It is a small pattern, but a powerful and for robust JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.